Before WhatsApp, radio, television, and you could even say hello over the phone, Igbo people had a way to communicate across villages, rivers, and forests. Yes, they didn't need SIM card because they had drums, cymbals, and systems. A system that worked. Wait, you think I'm joking? Don't worry, I'll shock you in this video. Whether it is your first time of hearing it or you've known it before, I'm going to share with you something in this video that is going to blow your mind. But first, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, welcome to the family. My name is Uche and I do everything Igbo history. If this is what you are interested in, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop a new video. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. Do well to like this video now or at the end of this video if you really enjoyed it. Now, let's dive right into the gist. Long before there was voice notes, through WhatsApp, there was a voice. The only difference is that this voice wasn't coming from a person, it was coming from a drum. So the Igbo people used a carved wooden drums and they called it Ekwe. Whenever these drums is being beaten, it matches the tune of Igbo language. That is, they carved it in a way that whenever it is beaten, it seems as if it is passing a message through Igbo language. It matches the tune of Igbo language. And the people that usually use it are skilled drummers. Whenever skilled drummers beat it, they use it to communicate. They use it to pass message. For instance, if they want to, tell the villagers that there is war, everybody should get ready. Or there will be a meeting at the square at dawn. Or a thief just entered the village. That is the drum. They will beat it in a way that the villagers will understand the rhythm and the tune or the message that they are trying to communicate. So whenever this drum is being beaten, the sound travels far from one village to another. That was their own way of broadcasting system. Now, apart from that, there are other times when the message had to be loud and clear. So in a situation where the message had to be loud and clear, someone had to do it. A person was sent to do it. And this person is known as Onyozi, in English language, a town crier. So he moves around with something that they call ogene, and he will be beating it while shouting his message. So for instance, once he beat it, ba 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 koko 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 koko, he will say, "Ndi banyi genunti echi niile anyị nwere ogbako na ama." So in situations like this, there is usually no excuses, because the moment you hear the town crier cries or beats or shouts, every activity paused. Every discussion will be on hold because you need to come out to listen to what the town crier had to say. So in those days, there's nothing like, I didn't get the message. You must get it or you face the consequences. Now, sometimes the message that needs to be passed is not meant for the public. It could be meant for specific individuals. So in situations like this, they usually send trusted messengers. These trusted messengers are to carry this message from one village to another, specifically to a set of people that this message was meant to. And these trusted messengers were not allowed to change one word from that very message. It means that they cannot come to one person and say another thing and come to another person and say the same thing in another way. No, they are to communicate that word of message word to word. And because in most cases, the message that needs to be passed to these individuals are sensitive, so they usually pass them through proverbs. For instance, when you hear something like an Igbo does not deliver a message to a chick for nothing, it simply means brace up yourself because something big is coming. But then there was another way Igbo people pass messages without saying words, because they use symbols. So if you grew up in a village, you will know some of these symbols. But in this video, we are going to talk about 3 of those symbols. Number 1, if a palm frond is kept at your door, it means that you've committed taboo, or there is mourning, or do not enter. Number 2, if you see a broken clay pot in a shrine, it simply means that a curse has been declared. Number 3, if a kola nut with one nut is being broken, it means that there's urgency or anger. These were silent messages, but they were always loud and clear. Now, let's put all of them together. That is the way in which Igbo people communicate or pass messages in the past. You will now have the drum, the town crier, the messenger, and through signals or symbols. These are communication systems that connected thousands of people without no need for phone, SIM card, electricity, wire, and it did not fail because it was reliable, respected, trusted, and powerful. Today, we call, text, and forward voice notes. But maybe, just maybe, we should pause and remember that Igbo people did it first. Yes, they passed messages, protected secrets, the one you will call end-to-end inscription, and they spread the truth using rhythm, wisdom, and symbols. So before WhatsApp, there was the Igbo way. It's possible that there are ways that Igbo people used to communicate or pass messages in the past that I did not mention here, but you know it. Why not help us? Put it in the comment section. And then, if you learn something new, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share it. Now, tell me in the comment section which of the ways that Igbo people communicate that are mentioned in this video that your village people use or that you experience. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching our videos to this end. My name is Uche, and I will see you in the next video.